How to use rockets and missiles in Gunship Battle. First of all, start a mission and look at the weapon controls on your screen. You will see buttons for guns, rockets, and missiles. Each has its own use in battle. Rockets are great for attacking ground targets like bases, ships, or grouped enemies. They deal heavy damage but are less accurate, so aim carefully and fire when targets are within range. Missiles provide higher accuracy and can lock onto individual targets. Keep the enemy within your aiming reticle until the lock-on signal appears, then launch. They work best against fast-moving opponents like helicopters, jets, or armored vehicles. Finally, always check your ammo because rockets and missiles are limited. Use them wisely along with your machine guns for the best results. Now you know how to use rockets and missiles in Gunship Battle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.